Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out a sleek and powerful everyday laptop, the Acer Aspire Lite 15 AL15-72P, powered by Intel's 13th Gen Core i5 processor. Let's dive in and see if this machine is the right fit for your daily work, study, or entertainment needs. The Aspire Lite 15 comes with an Intel Core i5-13500H processor, part of Intel's 13th generation lineup. This means you're getting serious performance for multitasking, office work, light editing, and even casual gaming. Combined with 8GB of DDR5 RAM, everything feels fast and snappy from browsing to running productivity software. The laptop includes a 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD, giving you super fast boot times and quick file access. You easily store all your documents, media, and apps without worrying about slowdowns. Graphic Intel UHD. You're getting a 15-inch Full HD IPS display with a 1920 by 1200 resolution, sharp, bright, and ideal for work or binge watching your favorite shows. The sleek silver finish gives it a premium look, and at just 1.79 kilograms, it's light enough to carry around anywhere. Webcam camera FHD camera MISC 2M FHD camera CTE. For connectivity, Acer includes everything you'll need: HDMI, multiple USB 3.2 ports, and a USB Type-C port that supports DC in charging. The dual stereo speakers and built-in microphones deliver clear audio for video calls or streaming. And with a 58 Wh battery, you'll get dependable all-day use depending on your workload. It comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home, offering a smooth, modern, and user-friendly experience right out of the box. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, the Acer Aspire Lite 15 AL15-72P packs a strong balance of power, portability, and style. So, what do you think of the Acer Aspire Lite 15? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.